Hi, fifth grade. This is Miss Phillips. We're working on today's daily math for Monday of review week 3. So everyone's doing this online today. My directions tell me to first write the combined decimal and fraction value of the shaded region. So we're going to be looking at both of these together here. And then we're going to shade in this box over here that's closest. So I'm going to look at my decimal first. I have one whole shaded in, and then there's 100 small squares. I counted, I have 2 rows of 10, that would be 20, plus 7 shaded here, so that would be 27. So as a decimal, that would be one whole decimal point. We've got 27 out of 100. So if I'm thinking of my decimal place value, my hundredths place is 2 places past the decimal point. So that would just be 27. So as a decimal, that would be 1 and 27 hundredths if I read that out loud. Then as a fraction, again, I have one whole shaded in and then 27 out of 100. So again, if I read that, 1 and 27 hundredths. What would that be closest to? Well, let's look at my choices here. I've got 1, 2, and 5 tenths, 2 or 5 tenths. So if I'm thinking about, I like to think about decimals like money because that's something that I am used to. So this would be like $1, $2.50, $2 or 50 cents. And remember, my decimal point was 1 and 27 hundredths. Would that be, let's see, I'm going to throw the 2 out because that would be too big. And the half would be too small. So I think it would be closest to 1 whole because 2 and a half would also be too big. It's smaller than 1 and a half, so it would be closer to 1 than it would be to 1 and a half. Closer to 1 than it would be to 2. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for that bottom. You're going to look at both of these together, write that number as a decimal, and then write it as a fraction. Remember, I have 100 total in this whole. And then the very bottom tells me to arrange the decimals in order from greatest first, to least last. So you guys are going to drag these and put them in order from greatest to least. Remember, it might help you to think about that as money. Okay, you may complete that and then turn it in.